Hi guys, it's Jack here, it's c247.com. I'm here today to give you an unboxing video and our first impressions of the new Land Rover Explorer R outdoor phone. So here we have the Land Rover Explorer R outdoor phone. As you can see, it comes in a stylish, nice white box. From the get-go, we can see it has a 5.7-inch HD Corning Gorilla Glass 6 display. On the bottom, we have a waterproof Type-C charging port, and on the top, a 3.5mm waterproof audio jack. On the back, we have a non-slip rubberized plate, as well as a fingerprint sensor. And inside the box, we have a few other things as well. We get two little booklets. First off is your limited warranty statement. And secondly, a quick start guide to help you get started. We also have a UK USB charging plug and a USB-C cable to go with it. Now let's get back and talk a little more about our first impressions on this new Land Rover phone. So, first impressions, we do quite like it. It comes with a few nifty features which we're going to talk about now. It comes with a non-slip rubberized plate at the back, as we mentioned, and it does feel quite nice. It also comes with a fingerprint sensor in an handheld position on the back. The phone itself is quite nice size, even in small hands like myself. A few other things to mention: it does come with 64GB of internal storage, as well as a micro SD card if you'd like to bump it up. It is also dual SIM, so you can have two SIM cards if you choose. It's also waterproof up to 1.5 metres for 35 minutes, and it's dust and sandproof if you need that anyway. So it comes with a 12 megapixel dual pixel Sony camera and an 8 megapixel camera on the front. It also comes with a 3100 milliamp battery. For medium to heavy usage, you could expect around a day and a half of battery life. It also comes with Android 9, which you can upgrade to Android 10 if you'd like. And yeah, other than that, there is one thing we do really like about this phone, and it comes with this Explorer app, of which you can include and set up to include weather tools, including an altimeter, a flashlight, a stopwatch, GPS coordinates, a compass, and even location sharing.